Welcome back to another video. This is Mama Duke's Kitchen / Maggie Island Cooking. So what I have here is some Chinese rice, and don't think I go out there and buy it. I know how to make Chinese rice because my daughter's father is Chinese. However, what I do is put on the rice. Then I had my flavor inside the white rice. And then when it finished cook, then almost finished cook, then I put in the beans and the carrots. And then come back to my chicken. I wash my chicken with vinegar and water, and then after that I rinse it 2 times. That's I can get off the vinegar off the chicken. Then I season it up and just grease the pot slightly and turn down the flame and cook my chicken. However, I put my seasoning on my chicken because I can mix my own seasoning. And then you can add some lettuce and tomato to it. And then you have a good glass of water right there. And that is my Chinese rice. So this don't cook with no grease. It is very healthy and it's very nice. So this I can present to you guys, and you can ask me questions, and I will answer your question. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and click the notified bell that you can see another video. And thank you so much for your time. And this is Mama Duke / Maggie Island Cooking. Thank you. Bye.